Hello, welcome to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Syncom Smalltalk product manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that may not be obvious, but we think you should know about them and you may find very useful. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, you want the code, anything like that, please send them to me at athomas@syncom.com. So today's hidden gem is going to be another type of collection. We've recently talked about some different types of collections, what they are, how to use them. We've talked about a number in the past on hidden gems. Today we're going to create a new type of collection, and it's called ResponsiveDictionary. And it's a really simple technique that gives you something pretty neat, pretty useful if you're looking for that. So what ResponsiveDictionary does, it allows you to send a key in the dictionary as a message instead of using the @ message. So it can simplify your code. It can make just things a little simpler, a little cleaner. And it's also going to use a technique that's going to be familiar to Smalltalk veterans who have gotten down into the machinery of Smalltalk. So where might you use this technique? Well, say for example, you're parsing something like an XML file or a JSON file that has IDs and values, and you could store these in a responsive dictionary and then simply access those values by sending a simpler message. So let's look at a simple example of what that would look like. Let's create a responsive dictionary. We'll put it in a variable called dictionary, and then we'll populate it. At color, put blue. At phone number, put this. At answer to everything, put 42. Let's go ahead and do that. And you can access it traditionally like dictionary @color, and we're going to get blue. That's what we expect. But with responsive dictionary, I can also say dictionary color. I get the same thing. Dictionary phone number, I get 555-1212, and the answer to everything, 42. Okay, how does it do this? Well, it is a really simple technique, and let's show you how to do it. So responsive dictionary is simply a subclass of dictionary. I put a comment here. It responds to messages, and if the message is a key, it returns that key's value. So how does it work? Well, this is incredibly simple. It has exactly one method in error handling, and that is it catches if you send a message to an object and the object doesn't understand it, it actually sends does not understand to give that object the opportunity to handle it. And this also is used throughout the error handling mechanism. But we can use it here to do something different. So does not understand the message you sent it. Let's do this. Let's go. I'm going to put a breakpoint right here, and then I'm going to say dictionary. Let me get rid of the response. Dictionary color. And now I'm right in the code. So message I sent, the message color with no arguments. So I'm going to get the message. The message is actually, remember, everything in Smalltalk is an object, including messages. So here's a message. The message is color with no arguments. It's a message object. So we can get that selector, which is in fact color. And then I can say to my keys, self keys. Let's check out self keys. Inspect it. Here are my 3 keys. There's color. Do I have that in my dictionary? If true, return self as @selector. So there's the @ right there that you don't have to do. If I don't find this, just return nil. And you could do something else if you wanted to catch that error. If you only want to respond to things that you know and create an error, you can do that very simply as well. And that's essentially how it works. So To recap, responsive dictionary, you can send it messages instead of that colon to retrieve the values. It uses this does not understand, which can be used pretty capably and very flexibly in a lot of situations that you need something special. Don't overuse it. You don't want to use it where you don't need it, because of course there is a little overhead. You're going through an extra mechanism here. But if it allows simplicity and capability and clarity to your code, this is a very capable technique, and you see how to create a responsive dictionary with one simple message. So that's Hidden Gems. I hope you've enjoyed that. Any comments, questions, please send them to athomas@syncom.com. Until next time, have a great time with Smalltalk.